So I've known Dr. Crouse for almost 10 years now since I started working here at Valley Children's Hospital. She's been a great friend and mentor for many, many years now, and have really enjoyed working with her.
I first met Dr. Crouse in 1990 when I started working at Valley Children's as a brand new nurse taking care of oncology patients.
Dr. Crouse became my oncologist probably about 2008. She's been mentoring my family and keeping on track of my overall health for the past 13 years now since that transplant and my diagnosis of acute lymphoblastic leukemia. And she's been, without a doubt, a huge addition and help to my medical staff.
She's been a phenomenal physician. She's a wonderful doctor. She's loved by the patients, families, by the staff.
I mean, just the fact that she's here and created an oncology program, which at the time didn't exist when she came. The oncology was all administered by adult oncologists. And there's a world of difference between treating adults and treating children with cancer. That was part of the reason why the hospital recruited her, was because I know I felt and others felt that we really needed pediatric oncology. She put together this program, and today, I mean, I think it's one of the best programs that Children's has to offer. Many, many children have not had to leave the valley to get the care that they needed. She's been a driving force behind that from the day she arrived.
She started out as being the only physician to care for children with cancer when there were no physicians anywhere up and down the valley to do that. And for many, many years, she either worked alone or just with one person being on call every night, taking care of these children. And she worked tirelessly, and she has been the principal investigator for a very important research area through what we call the Children's Oncology Group, through which we treat children with cancer all over the world. And through that, she's ensured that children here in the Central Valley are able to receive the same state-of-the-art treatment that they could get anywhere else in the world. She's truly been dedicated to this work and continues to do so.
Dr. Crouse is heavily involved with her community. It's actually quite amazing the things that she's doing. She volunteers with Camp Sunshine Dreams, which is another organization brought to you by Valley Children's Hospital that sends cancer patients as well as their siblings and survivors up to a summer camp for an entire week. And Dr. Crouse has been the doctor up there. I think she's been the doctor up there for probably about 6 years now. And it's been awesome having her as part of the family up there.
She started coming up probably around, I think, 2003 or 4, was our camp doctor until around 2015, I think. So she comes up, spends a week with the kids, spends a week with us as nurses up there, and we just have a great time. The kids, while they're up there, do arts and crafts, archery, waterfront, sports, music. There's a dance, there's movie night, there's campfires, kayaking, all that kind of stuff. And she is never in the med shed. She spends her entire day out and about driving kids around on golf carts. If they can't walk very well, she'll drive them where they need to go. She's out taking pictures all day long, and she's just out there with the kids. She's amazing.
She is given back to the community in more ways than I can describe. So she's been truly phenomenal.
It's really hard to put a label on what her biggest accomplishment would be. I think that just being there for her patients, whether it be up at Camp Sunshine Dreams and being part of that staff up there or being in the hospital, Dr. Crouse is 100% on board for her patients' health and for her patients' well-being. And it doesn't matter what time of day, night, Dr. Crouse is always going to be there. And that to me is her biggest accomplishment.
Vonda, congratulations on this wonderful Lifetime Achievement Award from the Fresno Madera Medical Society. I cannot think of anybody else more deserving than you. I think you have achieved a lot, and I expect and I'm sure that you will continue to do very well, and I'm really happy for you, and I'm honored to be working with you.
Vonda, I want to congratulate you on a wonderful career. You've done a great job at Children's, and I'm sure you'll continue to do a great job as long as you're still working. And I'm sure you'll look forward to some retirement. I can tell you it's great.
Congratulations, Dr. Crouse, on this award. You are an absolute mentor to me, and it's been a pleasure knowing you over the years.
Dr. Crouse, I just think this is amazing for you, and I know that you think what you do is just what you do, and it's not that big of a deal. But you're amazing, and we are all better for knowing you. I thank you for what you've given this world, and I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.